Hey, my name is Sandeep Tekchandani. I'm the founder of Sandeep.mba and welcome to my GMAT video lesson. In this GMAT video lesson, we'll learn the fundamental strategy for GMAT reading comprehension. This strategy can be applied to each and every reading comprehension question that will appear in your GMAT exam. So let's take a look at the first point of that strategy. Do not expect to be familiar with the passages. Basically, you may find that some passages are easier to understand than others, but all the passages are built in such a way that they present a new challenge. If you have knowledge of the material presented in a passage, do not let this knowledge affect your choice of answers. Bottom line, answer all the questions on the basis of what is stated or implied in the passage itself. Read the passage thoroughly. This is because the questions require you to have a precise and in-depth understanding of the material. You may find it easier to do the analysis first before attempting the questions. You may find that you prefer to skim the passage the first time and read more carefully once you understand what a question asks. You may even want to read the question before reading the passage. Bottom line, suit yourself and select the method most suitable for you. Zero in on keywords and phrases. You should make efforts to avoid losing the sense of what is discussed in the passage. Keep the following in mind. Note how each fact relates to an idea or an argument. Note where the passage transitions from one idea to the next. You must also be able to separate the main ideas from the supporting ideas. And eventually, you must be able to determine what conclusions are reached by the author and what are the reasons behind these conclusions. Read the questions carefully. Ensure that you understand what is being asked. An answer choice that accurately restates information in the passage may be incorrect if it does not answer the question. If you need to, then please refer back to the passage for more clarification. Read all the choices thoroughly. Never assume that you have selected the best answer without first reading all the choices. Select the best answer. Basically, you must select the choice that answers the question best in terms of the information given in the passage. You must never rely on your outside knowledge of the material to help you answer the questions. Finally, accuracy takes precedence over speed. Remember that comprehension, not speed, is the critical success factor when it comes to reading comprehension questions. So let us just summarize what did we learn in the fundamental strategy for GMAT reading comprehension. We learned that you should not expect to be familiar with the passages. Read the passage thoroughly. Focus on keywords and phrases. Read the questions carefully. Read all the choices thoroughly. Select the best answer. And eventually, remember, accuracy takes precedence over speed. I hope my GMAT video lesson was crystal clear. It will help you to crack the GMAT reading comprehension questions and boost your overall GMAT score. That is all, my friends. If you found my video lesson helpful, then you should go to Sandeep.mba for more information on the GMAT, how to prepare for the GMAT and applying to business schools. You should also click on that like button and let me know in the comments which topics you would like me to cover in my future video lessons. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed, then go ahead and click on that bell so that you'll get notified about my future video lessons. All the best.